So this is how you can delete your Snapchat account. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Snapchat. Today, you will learn how to delete your account. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. Let's start by opening Snapchat. Now that we're here, you're going to simply want to tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Now, we're going to want to find the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Alright, now that we're here, we just simply want to scroll down until we can find delete account. Here, under account actions, join Snapchat beta, map, delete account, logout. Obviously, you're going to want to tap on delete account. It will send you to a link where you can delete your account. So all you have to do is just log in and then tap on delete. That's how you're going to delete your Snapchat. So once again, just sign in, type in your email, and then tap on delete because there will be a delete button. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.